Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I am Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this first aid kit, and L&L First Aid was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now this is a small first aid kit. It's not like some of those larger ones that you might see. However, that's really nice. You know, you can throw this in a glove compartment, strap it onto like a backpack. Makes it really nice and easy to be mobile. Look at this, zips up like that, and it has these closures on here, so I'm assuming that is waterproof, so that's really great for traveling, hiking, camping, things like that. Let's check out what we have in here. We're gonna have some Q-tips in here. Got a bag of some sort in here. What is this? All right, so that's like this is like a CPR mask. It's like a little one-way type thing on there. Okay, yeah, I thought it was something like that. That is what that is, or emergency breaths at a minimum. All right, we've got some iPads in here. Got some shears hiding out back here in the back. Gonna have a soap wipe, antiseptic towelettes. You've got some alcohol pads. You got some of the small gauze pads, 2x2s, more 2x2s, 3x3s, 3x3s, some larger Band-Aids, smaller Band-Aids, regular type Band-Aids, and a cooling patch right there. All right, here on this other side, you got some safety pins, got a little whistle on there, and it does work. Got some tweezers here, looks like some tape right there, some elastic bands, disposable gloves, some burn cream, and some a triangular bandage. It's great for a sling. All right, so after pulling everything out, how easy is it to close this back up? Boom, right there. No problem at all. So that's always nice. Sometimes it's hard to do that. You pull things out and whatever they're initially packaged, yeah, they get in there, but then you can't get them packaged back out. But right there you go. Great little first aid kit right here from L&L. If you're interested in something like this, whether it be for hiking or just having it in your car, camping, whatever, really nice little one right here. Go ahead and check this one out.